I'm going to break the physical connection between these two. You'll see a timeout on one of these pings. If this is your production environment, your production continues to run. You have not taken operations down, which is the key benefit of doing this.
You can connect wireless cameras, plug in your Wi-Fi zone. You can run robotic automations, AGVs, and obviously connected devices. And all of this can run over the same wireless system.
You can connect devices directly into the LAN interface of the router, or you can connect it into a layer 2 switch and have access to 1 to N devices, all of which would be able to now be command and control from your physical OT network. This is very powerful.
It also underscores how we think about private cellular as the next generation wireless access and as being an integral part of your LAN infrastructure.